A lot of people have no understanding what digital marketing really is.
Old mindset of just like being stuck in the past, old marketing mentality, and it just doesn't work anymore.
The buying patterns of consumers today are changing, and we've got to change our marketing tactics with it.
So when it comes to the idea of digital first, it's actually super simple. We're getting away from what traditional marketing used to be, radio or TV, and making it a priority as an organization to focus on digital. To do digital well in today's market and to be able to sustain the future, you really have to look at everything. Organizations need to look at full stack marketing. It means anything that is digital is being ahead of your competition, is looking into the future, being able to produce content everywhere. That's digital first. It's looking ahead and taking your organization to the future. Here at J29, we focus on preparing organizations today for tomorrow. Digital first is the heartbeat of J29. We're about partnering with you so you can succeed.